Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring prerequisites are met. Carry at least 1,000 gold or unlock horse quest paths and clear immediate combat. First, travel to the nearest hold capital or stable, talk to the stable master or quest giver to trigger the mount event. Once done, accept or initiate the quest. This spawns the horse or marks a capture objective. Make sure to save before engaging, because losing the horse to an ambush wastes time. Move deliberately. You want the horse to be available and calm when you meet it. Now focus on acquiring the horse. If buying, pay at the stable and confirm the mount option. If capturing, use stealth, calm spells, or ranged bait to avoid spooking. You need to mount carefully, approach, interact, then stay on the back until the taming sequence finishes. Once mounted, ride slowly to reduce panic and complete any quest markers that officially register ownership. Make sure to loot or name the horse if the game allows, because that cements the ownership record and prevents despawn. Finish by bonding and registering the horse. Ride it for several minutes and return to a stable or home so the game flags ownership. Once confirmed, save immediately. This prevents loss from bugs or resets. If the horse doesn't appear or despawns, check your quest log and fast travel points, revisit the stable pen, and reload a save just before the acquisition. As a last resort, use safe console fixes or re-trigger the mount quest, only if you know the command.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.